Well, it's about midnight in Kentucky, and I'm just out here looking at the rainstorm that's developing. I wanted you to see some of this lightning that is brighter than those car headlights, and I can pretty much get around my house by the light coming through my windows. No bolts yet, just this big, beautiful, overcast glow. There's a good one. And the thunder starting to roll in. It's just started to rain. Let's see if I can get some good ones over here. There was a nice one. I'm thankfully not, oh, there we go. I'm thankfully not the tallest thing in my vicinity right now. And the lightning seems to be striking very, very high up, rather than touching down yet. So, it's a little taste of Kentucky.